What's up mga papi? Naghahanap ka ba ng singlet for your daily run? Tara, let's check this singlet out and let's see if this is worth it. Let's do this!
Throw your hands up if you with it. Drop it.
Alright, so before anything else, this video is not sponsored by 0D and I bought the singlet out of my own pocket. With that out of the way, let's check this singlet out. So ito yung 0D singlet na nabili nga natin sa Shopee for 1,000 pesos. And dahil nga naghahanap tayo ng singlet for our daily run, I originally ordered the green one but unfortunately, ang dumating sa akin is yung orange. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Maybe because sa online store nila, yung orange singlet nakatag as green dun sa picture. Oh well. So this singlet is made by Zero Drag. So nag-research tayo sa internet and I believe Zero D or Zero Drag is a company that makes sports jersey for running, triathlon, swimming, cycling, etc. Wala na akong makuhang iba pang information about the company. Wala rin nakalagay sa website if this is made from UK, from France, but most probably Chinese brand to. Pero dun sa mismong website may dun sa upper right side ng page may nakalagay England or France. So, yeah. But anyway, back to the singlet itself. Yung material used for this singlet is very light. Mukhang super fast drying siya kasi sobrang nipis. And mukha namang super comfortable when we use it for our daily run. Yung sizing nga lang I think is a bit small. Di ko lang sure. Baka mas maganda yung fit sa akin kung ang kinuha ko is yung size XL nila. By the way, ang kinuha natin for this particular video is large. And kung worth it ba to? For something na 1,000 pesos na singlet, personal opinion ko, medyo namamahalan ako sa kanya for 1K. Sa akin, sa tingin ko, this is more of a 500 to 700 pesos singlet. But that's my own opinion. Check nyo na lang sa Shopee and see if you want to buy or make a pass on this one. So, nothing really special about this singlet apart from yun, very light material. So, isusukat na natin and pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung fit. So, ito yung fit sa akin. Medyo feeling ko masikip ng konti. So, I'm not sure if size XL is a much better fit for me. Kasi itong binili natin nga is size large. Ano sa tingin nyo? Bili ba ulit tayo ng isa pa para makita natin yung fit ng XL? Pero mukhang okay naman siya. Tingin ko maliit lang ng konti. Pero we can still use it for our daily run. So, ikot lang ako para makita nyo yung likod. Ayan yung likod. Parang T siya. But all in all, ayan yung singlet. So again, yun, check nyo na lang sa Shopee and see if you wanna buy this singlet or make a pass. But for now, this is our video for today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Till the next video. Peace!